Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is how a dual band router looks from inside. As you can see, I have successfully opened a TP-Link router, a TP-Link C6, Archer C6 to be exact. As you can see, this said it has a Qualcomm chipset, as you can see over here, and this is something very sensitive component, so they have RF shielded it, very sensitive to electromagnetic interference. As you can tell by the shielding itself, it's shielded. And this looks like another Qualcomm chipset, another controller IC, whatever you want to call it. And this is how a wireless router looks from inside. For some weird reason, these two are detachable antennas and these two antennas are shouldered. You can't detach and replace the antennas. Two of them are for 2.4 gigahertz and two of them are for 5 gigahertz, and there is one internal antenna which it exists. As you can see, it's mentioned ANT1. And the frequencies are not mentioned on the PCB. Probably they are mentioned. Probably we can trace each line and find out their frequencies, but that's a bit of a pain in the ass, so I'll leave that for now. Those 4 ports are Gigabit Ethernet ports, as you can see. I opened it because I thought that it was thermal throttling or something like that. So let me operate it without lids on and see what happens. Let's see which components gets hot, and let's see how can we fix it. And the router is booting up, as you can see. Let me turn off the lights. Now let's connect the Ethernet. Now, as it turns out, that router was thermal throttling indeed, because it had a thick layer of dust on its IC, which was causing the heat to trap inside and cause thermal throttling. Turns out every electronic and everything needs maintenance, as simple as even a router.